what we are doing is currently we are tying the t-shirt, and we'll continue the same way and tie the t-shirt completely. Ruchika, that is fine. It's very nice.
मुझे लग रहा है मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही crunch कर दिया.
So at the end, this is how the fabric that your t-shirt will look like. I have even sent some thread. You can even tie around the thread.
Is this good enough, Shivani? Now?
Yeah, works.
राजा she said yeah works because वरना वापस तो खोलने लग जाओ.
पर आयन नहीं किया ना पहले तो इसलिए इतना सही से हुआ नहीं. I think you should start from there.
Next step is about dyeing it. So for that, I'll need your help in arranging a bucket and some water in a level that your fabric is soaked inside completely. Wearing gloves, it is very important. You will add the complete dye into this glass. Once that is done, we can add the fabric inside the dye bath. That is the colored water. This is basically called a dye bath. You just dip it inside.
Shivani, can you show us one completed t-shirt? You showed one in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
हम मैच करेंगे हमारा ऐसे दिख रहा है कि नहीं.